Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we got PSY, That, produced by SUGA and featuring by SUGA of BTS, Yoongi in this. Listen, we're talking about a PSY music video already, so y'all already know what to expect. Actually, I don't know what to expect with a PSY music video. If you saw the teaser, it's like Western themed and everything, so we kind of have an idea. Guys, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to share it on Twitter everywhere. Tell your mom, your grandma, your father, your papa, you know. Be sure to check the links in the description down below. Let's get it, let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. PSY, That, produced and featured with SUGA of BTS. Let's go. Oof, even the countdown. It's so intense. Oh my. Okay. What to expect? Barnyard doors. Damn, he just. Okay, hands.
20, 22, side coming back. Long time no see, huh?
It's been a minute. Oh wait. Captions. Drake, come on, bruh.
20,
22, coming back.
Long time no see,
Ooh. Loco. Yo, you're full, I love it. Bro, he has like one of the most unique dances in K-pop, I feel like, bro. And I feel like it can't be implemented. PSY, you're already a legend. You already know that. Hey. Okay, transition.
Can you feel it?
Feeling what?
Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Can you feel it?
What we feeling?
Can you feel it?
Feeling the music?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, okay, we're counting. Oh, that part in the teaser? That shit go fire. That go hard. All the production. Look at the dominant dancers. Oh, the classic suit.
It's like that.
Oh, he coming out through the sky? He literally went pam. What we gonna do? It's gonna, oh shit. Are they like battling? Yo, I love it. Let's go. Oh, a slap fight. Is it like the new versus old or legend versus legend kind of thing? Legend versus legend.
Can you feel it?
Oh.
Can you feel it?
Oh damn, PSY, you good? Oh.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
I actually did not know. So he's taking over. Okay. I love this.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh yeah.
Oof, it's just like a party. To those who don't know about PSY, welcome to the party. Bow. Wait, what? Look at him, he's just jamming out. They look so good, bro. Best. Literally one of the best music videos already. you want? What you want? What you want? Ooh. It's just so much energy that you just can't contain yourself. That was an iconic moment that I just witnessed. Psy. If Psy's coming out with a comeback, y'all gotta go see it because it's always gonna be the music video, the song's always gonna be hype, everything's gonna be so much energy. I need to see Psy live. Damn, and Yoongi killed that ish too. Oh my god, can we just let's quickly watch that part. Bruh. I gotta check out the album too. I feel like you can't predict like a Psy choreograph, choreography for Psy. This is fire, bro. Put a comment down below what you guys think. All that energy given to me. I need it. Love it. Nah, I probably can't sleep. I'm probably well. If this video is uploaded, then I'll probably be asleep. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Discord link in the description. Join the Dreamer Discord. Come through. I do Twitch every single day. Well, when I'm not busy. If something comes up, then I tell my Discord. That's why you gotta follow the Discord. Alright, y'all. Thanks, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.